Are you making kindling? Hey? Are you making kindling? We could live in the bush, eh? That'd be awesome. Totally off-grid. Me, you, and the sun, and the wind, and the rain, and the earth. That's all we need. That's it.